Welcome to a student of ST Public School. It is the class of mathematics, class 12, and its topic is matrix. In this class, I am going to teach you some examples, some problems about matrix. Here, a problem is shown on the board. We are given that three matrices: first matrix, matrix A, second B, and third C, and we have to find the value of A minus 2B plus 3C. Since minus 2B is a scalar product of matrix and 3C is also a scalar product of the matrix, means a scalar multiplication of the matrix minus 2B and 3C occur in this problem. Now we are going to solve this problem. Solution. The matrix A is equal to 3, 4, 2, and matrix B 1, 3, minus 2, 5, C minus 2, 5, and 3, 4. These are three matrices. We have to find the matrix A minus 2B, A minus 2B plus 3C. Since we can write the value of matrix A at the place of A. The matrix A is 3, 4 and 3, 2 minus 2, and matrix B is 1, 3 minus 2, 5 plus 3C 3 into matrix C is minus 2, 5 and 3, 4. 3, 4, 3, 2 matrix first. Now we multiply the every element of matrix B from 2. 2 into 1 it is 2. 2 into 3 6. 2 into minus 2 4 and 2 into 5 10. 3 can be multiplied with the every element. 3 into minus 2 minus 6. 3 into 5 15. 3 into 3 9 and 3 into 4 it is 12. We observe that all three matrices are of the same order, means the first matrix is of the order of 2 by 2, it is also 2 by 2, and it is also 2 by 2. All the three matrices are a square matrix of order 2 by 2. Then we can solve this, we can add these matrices. First of all, we can add the matrix 3, 4, 3, 2 and plus minus 6, 15 and 9, 12. 2, 6 minus 4, 10. Now I'm going to add this 3 plus minus 6, 4 plus 15, 3 plus 9 and 2 plus 12 minus 2, 6 minus 4, 10. 3 plus 6, 3 minus 6 equal to minus 3, 19, 12 and 14 minus 2, 6 minus 4, 10 minus 3 minus 2 means subtraction of two matrices. 19 minus 6, 12 minus 4 minus and minus it gets plus, and 14 minus 10 it is equal to minus 3 minus 2 means minus 5, 19 minus 6 13, 12 plus 4 16 and 14 minus 10 it is 4. It is required sum of these matrices. Now we discuss about other problem. Next problem is given that the sum of two matrices A and B means A plus B are given and A minus B given. The sum of A plus B and sum of A minus B are both of a square matrices, means both matrices are a square matrix of order 3 by 3. It is means A plus B is matrix of 3 by 3 and A minus B also is matrix of 3 by 3. Now we can subtract or add these matrices. If we add A plus B and A minus B, then we can find the value of A from this relation, means this equation. Now in this relation, means this equation, suppose that this equation is first and this equation means this relation is second. If we add the relation first with relation second, then we can write this first plus second. If we add first plus second, then A plus B plus A minus B. RHS 1 0 2 5 4 minus 6 7 3 8 and plus minus 5 minus 4 8 11 2 0 minus 1 7 and 4. In LHS we can cancel B and B because its sign are opposite. This implies 2A it is equal to the summation of these matrices are 1 minus 5 0 minus 4 2 plus 8. Second row 5 plus 11 4 plus 2 and minus 6 plus 0. In third row 7 minus 1 3 plus 7 and 8 plus 4. It is equal to minus 4 and 10 16 6 and minus 6 6 10 and 12. It is the matrix 2A. Therefore, hence 2A gets, therefore 2A is equal to minus 4 10 16 6 minus 6 and 6 10 12. Therefore, matrix A can be defined as 1 by 2 into matrix minus 4 and 10 16 6 and minus 6 and 6 10 and 12. It is equal to, if we divide it by 2 in the all elements, then we find that minus 4 by 2 means minus 2 minus 4 by 2 also minus 2 10 by 2 it is 5 and 16 by 2 equal to 8 and 6 by 2 3 and minus 6 by 2 minus 3. For third row 6 by 2 3 10 by 2 5 and 12 by 2 equal to 6. It's now we find the value A. Now we are going to find the value of B. Or we finding the value of B, we have to subtract these relations. If LHS can be subtracted, then A plus B minus A plus B and A will get cancelled and the value of B can be found. Now relation first minus second means the second is subtracted from relation first, then LHS gets A plus B minus A and minus plus B, and RHS gets the subtraction of two matrices 1 0 and 2 5 4 and minus 6 7 3 8 minus -5, -4, 8, 11, 2 and 0, -1, 7 and 4. A and A will be cancelled. This implies 2B is equal to 1 minus 5 means 1 minus minus means double minus, minus into minus, it is equal to plus means 1 plus 5, 0 minus minus 4 means 0 plus 4 and 2 minus 8. In the second row 5 minus 11, 4 minus 2 and minus 6 minus 0, 7 minus minus plus 1 and 3 minus 7 and 8 minus 4. This implies matrix 2B can be found as 6, 4 minus 6. 5 minus 11 means minus 6, 4 minus 2, 2 and minus 6 minus 0, minus 6. 7 plus 1, 8, 3 minus 7, minus 4 and 8 minus 4, 4. Therefore, matrix B can be found as 1 by 2 into 6, 4 minus 6, minus 6, 2 minus 6 and 8 minus 4, 4. Therefore, B is equal to 1 by 2 into 6 means 3, 1 by 2 into 4 means 2, 1 by 2 into minus 6 minus 3, 1 by 2 into minus 6 also minus 3, 1 by 2 into 2, 1, 1 by 2 into minus 6 minus 3, 1 by 2 into 8 means 4, 1 by 2 into minus 4 minus 2 and 1 by 2 into 4, 2. Hence, the required matrices A and B are obtained from this result. In this question, means in the next question, the here given the relation between three matrices and the two matrices is known and third matrix X is not known. It is unknown matrix, and we have to find the unknown matrix. Here the known matrix is given of the order 2 by 3. It is also order of 2 by 3 means the two known matrices are of the order of 2 by 3. Then the X will be also the order of 2 by 3 means the addition subtraction can be found when the order of X is also 2 by 3. Now we can simplify very easily. If the given 3, 5, minus 9 and minus 1, 4, minus 7 plus X, where X is unknown matrix 6, 2, 3 and 4, 8, 6. It is equal. This implies we can change the side of first matrix and means we replace the side of the first matrix, then we can find the value of matrix X 6, 2, 3 and 4, 8, 6. If we replace this matrix in the other side, then its sign will be negative, means it can subtracted from this matrix which is right in the right side. 3, 4, minus 9, minus 1, 4 and 3, 4. Minus 7. Then this implies the matrix X can be found as 6 minus 3, 2 minus 5 and 3 minus minus plus 9, 4 minus 1 minus minus plus 1, here minus 4 and 6 minus minus plus 7. Therefore, the matrix X begets 3, 2 minus 5 minus 3, 8 is 12, 4 plus 1 5, 8 minus 4 4, and 6 plus this 13. Now we can see about next question. Start sir.
No, अभी ना किया.
Problem is given that three matrices A, B, and C, and all the three matrices are diagonal matrix, and the three diagonal elements are given 2, minus 5, and 9. We know that the diagonal matrix is also a square matrix. Hence, the all matrices A, B, and C will be a square matrix of order 3 by 3 because the three diagonal elements are given in this problem. Then matrix A is given that diagonal 2 minus 5 diagonal element, where diagonal element are given, diagonal element 2 minus 5 9, hence it is equal to 2 0 0 0 minus 5 0 and 0 0 9. It is matrix A. Similarly, matrix B is equal to diagonal matrix of minus 3 7 and 14, minus 3 0 0 0 7 and 0 0 0 and 14, and matrix C is diagonal matrix 4 minus 6 3 4 0 0 0 minus 6 and 0 0 0 3. Now we have to find 2A plus B minus 5C. As a previous examples, we can find the value of 2A plus B minus 5C. We have to find a scalar product of matrix A by 2. Therefore, 2A plus B minus 5C. We can write the scalar product of matrix A by 2 is A is equal to 2 0 0 and 0 minus 5 0 and 0 0 9 plus matrix B is equal to minus 3 0 0 and 0 7 0 and 0 0 14 minus 5 into matrix B, and matrix B is 4 0 0 0 minus 6 0 and 0 0 3. We can multiply by 2 with the all elements of matrix A, means 2 2 are 4, 2 into 0 equal to 0, 2 into 0 it is also 0, 0 0 0, 2 into minus 5 minus 10, and 2 into 0 0 0, 2 into 0 0, and 2 into 9 15 plus minus 3 0 0 0 7 0 0 0 14 minus 5 is multiplied with all elements of matrix C, means 5 4 are 20 0 0 0, 5 minus 6 are minus 30, means 5 into 0 0, 5 into 0 0, 0 and 5 3 are 15. Now we add the two matrix. First 4 minus 3 plus 0 plus 0. Hence we can write 0 plus 0 equal to 0 and 0 plus 0 it is also 0. 0 plus 0 it is 0 minus 10 plus 7 minus 10 plus 7 and 0 plus 0 0 0 plus 0 0 0 plus 0 it is 0 and 18 plus 14 minus 20 0 0 0 minus 30 0 and 0 0 15. It is equal to 4 minus 3 1 0 0 0 minus 3 0 0 0 2 and 3 32 minus 20 0 0 0 minus 30 0 and 0 0 15. We can subtract this 1 minus 20 0 0 0 minus 3 minus plus 30 and 0 0 0 and 32 minus 15. It is equal to 1 minus 20 it is minus 19 0 and 0 0 minus 3 plus 30 it is 27 and 0 0 0 and 32 minus 15 it is 17. It is required answer. The next problem is given that find x and y if 2 into x5 7 y minus 3 plus 3 minus 4 1 2 it is equal to 7 6 and 15 14. If this problem is based on the property of equality of two matrices, the LHS and RHS are two matrices. In LHS the two variables are given in a matrix and that variable is x and y. We have to find this variable. We can use the properties of equality of two matrices in this problem. Now we can simplify this. 2x5 7y minus 3 plus 3 minus 4 1 2 it is equal to 7 6 and 15 14. This implies we have to multiply by 2 with all the elements of the first matrix, means 2x 2 into 5 10 2 into 7 14 and 2 into y minus 3 means 2y minus 6 plus 3 minus 4 1 and 2 it is equal to 7 6 and 15 14. Now we have to add this matrices, means 2x plus 3 10 minus 4 14 minus 14 plus 1 and 2y minus 6 plus 2 it is equal to 7 6 and 15 14. This implies 2x plus 3 and 10 minus 4 equal to 6 14 plus 1 15 and 2y minus 4 it is equal to 7 6 15 14. We see that the first element of both matrices, means LHS and RHS, 2x plus 3 and the second element is 6 and 6. The first element of second row is 15 and 15 and here given that the two matrices are equal. the two matrices are equal, then the corresponding elements will be equal. Here given that the two corresponding elements are equal, then the other two corresponding elements will be also equal, and from this relation we can write that 2x plus 3 is equal to 7, and we can find the value of x from this relation. This implies 2x is equal to 7 minus 3. This implies 2x is equal to 4. Therefore, x equal to 4 by 2 is equal to 2. Means value of x is 2. Now, the element 2y minus 5 will be equal to 14, and 2y minus 4 it is equal to 14. This implies 2y is equal to 14 and plus 4. This implies 2y is equal to 18. Therefore, y is equal to 18 by 2 means 9. Therefore, the value of x is equal to 2 and value of y is equal to 9.